Hi, greetings and welcome to Dapur Shaila. Today I'll be sharing the recipe for prawns Kam Heong. It looks difficult, but it's really very easy. For this dish, we will need around 20 medium-sized prawns that are already cleaned and deveined. To this we add half a tablespoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix everything together so that the prawns are coated with a thin layer of flour. To mix it is very easy. Just do it the way I'm doing now. Heat some oil in a pan and add the prawns one at a time and fry till they are golden brown and set it aside. We will also need to fry some onion rings. For this, slice a large onion into rings, coat them with flour and salt just like the prawns. After frying, set it aside as well. Now for the sauce, heat some oil, add 2 tablespoons of washed dried shrimp, 6 chopped garlic, 3 chopped shallots, 5 red bird eye chillies cut into small pieces, saute until the onions are soft and fragrant. Next, add 2 tablespoons of fish curry powder and 1 tablespoon black pepper powder and mix well. Mix a little water to avoid burning the spices. Now we add 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil, 1 tablespoon of thick soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Add a little water and mix well. Add a stalk of curry leaves and let it cook for a while. Now add the fried prawns. Mix the prawns with the gravy so that it is coated evenly. Don't forget to add fried onions as well. Mix everything over medium heat until the gravy thickens. And that's all to it. Prawns Kam Heong are ready to be served. That's today's recipe from Dapur Shaila. Till the next video, stay safe! Please subscribe and press the bell icon for my latest recipes. And don't forget to like, comment and share.